It took me a minute to set my scope. So now we got it right on it. So I'm gonna shoot the steel target. And then we'll move on to the clay. So let's shoot some targets. So let's shoot the big one this time.
First shot.
Now let's shoot the bright clay on the
Alright.
purple. One of the gun rules is never put your finger on the trigger. If you're not going to shoot anything, don't put it on because you don't know if it's loaded and it's not on safeties. And never point it at anything that you're not going to shoot it at. So safety down. This is a real gun, but not that real because other guns, you just need gas. But this one it needs air, so it's more safer than actual. So let's try this again.
You got it.
Well, there is a bullet there. And that is my pet dog. She is a really shorty one. She's the target dog. And she farts a lot. It's really stinky. She just relaxing there. Well, I I even saw the bullet go, and it was really close to it.
Alright.
Shoot. One more steel target. So let's start shooting. And this last time, so maybe this one has. Yeah, it's running away.
Woo. Let's go take a look. I think this one is from my gun. I was really close to it. And these little thingies, the clay stuff, are really easy to break. This came with my Daisy. So we just tried to shoot it. And before I started making these videos, I used to shoot them and they would explode. Alright, we'll go make that happen.
We'll try. And it's still wiggling. I think I shot here and here. I'm not sure because there's a lot. Because I've been shooting before I made a
Right,
So I did have the gun for a really long time.
Alright.
I had them when I was 8 and now I'm 10 or 9. I don't remember. So let's try to do the clays again and let's see if I could actually get it exploding on camera.
Alright.
So let's try to do that.
Alright, let me do this for you.
I'll hold the camera.
It's recording.
Okay. My dad's gonna try. And let's see if he actually gets it on camera. There's my dad. Safety's off. And we actually did got that on camera for the first time. But there's still a little bit there. You can't see it, but Look at that. So let's just make it this close. Let's see. There's a bit, half of it over there. So let's see.
Which one do you want? Clay, metal?
The clay.
Cornmeal?
Yes. And he did half of it. That's actually really cool. So it's actually a really cool gun. It's really accurate. So I'm actually gonna take a break and try to shoot it or practice shooting. And please like and subscribe for more. And I hope you enjoyed my video.